This is the Makita M1901B electric planer, ideal for effectively and professionally removing material on wood projects. The 500 watt motor drives an 82mm blade at a speed of 16,000 RPM. An adjustment knob allows a cutting depth of up to 2mm at a time and can make rebates of up to 9 mils. But my favorite feature is the spring-loaded parking shoe at the back. It allows you to make a cut and then put the machine down before the blade stops spinning. It also has a V-groove in the base for chamfers. It weighs 2.8 kgs and comes with an edge guide, T-bar wrench, blade setting gauge, a vacuum adapter, and has a 2-meter cord. It's compact, powerful, and has a simple design that works. Exactly what you would expect from the MT range. Now this is just one of the planers available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.